Guys, wait for the ball for 6-7 days. 6-7 seconds. Spatula.
Just crack it.
Got it?
Oh,
Oh my god!
Why you crack it?
You said cracks.
Yeah. Wait a minute. We'll put a little bit of salt.
So,
Salt.
give me that. I will help you to do it.
Little bit of it, huh? That's it.
I know how to crack eggs. It's okay, I have to crack it.
Give me the spatula.
No, this is wooden spoon. Can I mix?
No, we're not gonna mix it. We're gonna...
Trying to see with a function saw. J-Hope. And a J-Hope. And I am a V. And a jump. BTS.
It's done. We're gonna put the
The?
egg in the...
Where?
Wait. Wait, I'll put some...
Somewhat.
First is...
Ketchup.
rice.
Let me do this.
Wait.
More rice.
Yeah.
For sushi.
And we'll heat it up.
Yeah, hit it up. Hit it up.
Open.
Open. Make it to the...
Oh. 3, 2, 1. 21.
One.
Twist it. No. Yeah.
It's like a movie.
Let's wait.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay. Then let's put the
Egg.
egg.
Guys, look at the egg.
Fried egg.
Fried egg with ketchup.
Wow.
Wow! You're cooking. It's very yummy.
Easy to do.
So that's how you make this one. Wait,
We'll
before
put
you
first
go,
Ketchup.
we're gonna go get ketchup.
Show it them.
Ube.
Show it to them. Wait, sorry. Wow. Then we'll put...
Wait, before you go,
Yeah.
I will tell you this. We have ketchup.
ketchup.
I will help you.
Go. Just a little bit.
Lisa. Just like this.
Okay.
And this.
Enough.
Bye bye.
Yummy.
Bye bye, guys. That's the end of the video. Bye.